What is Placeit? We live in a time of customization. From a small business looking for a unique logo, to fandoms looking to customize their merchandise and social media tycoons looking for innovative graphic ads, everyone is looking for good design-making tools. But not everyone is a designer, and that is why you should go to Placeit. Placeit is a service providing easy-to-use tools, simplified templates and great quality designs that can be used anywhere. They have specific templates for professional work, gift items like mugs and t-shirts. You also get graphic templates for every social media platform. You can also create designs for sale using their tools and templates. All you need under one address. Placeit Logo Maker is one of a massive suite of tools designed to help you make logos, obviously, mock-ups, videos, and business cards, among other things. There are no color palettes, as such. There are some default color options, but you can set every color individually and precisely. You can replace the icon you've chosen at any time, in both the simple and fancy templates, though the fancy templates have a more limited selection of icons to choose from. You can have logos with more than one line of text, but if you need, for example, 3 lines of text, you need to choose a template that already has 3 or more lines, text boxes. You can hide text you don't need, but you can't add more text areas than the chosen template allows. When you download your logo, it comes in 2 formats. They have a large PNG file, and a PDF for printing and working with vector illustration programs. Placeit currently seems to have the largest library. They're also the easiest way to make mockups. Their smart templates adjust as you make content edits. Mix and match slides to create one-of-a-kind videos that will leave your content looking incredible. With fast preview, you can view your video changes live while you edit a slide. Spend less time editing and more time creating. Create striking mockups with templates shot and edited by professional photographers. Create and edit engaging videos right from your browser with cloud-based rendering. There are absolutely gorgeous templates. These templates really are some of the best I've seen in a logo maker. There are templates for every big industry and a lot of the small ones too. Placeit went to the trouble of hiring some very good designers to supplement the usual icon on left or icon on top sort of logo designs. The logo editor is simple yet flexible. You can edit just about every aspect of your logo quickly and easily. You're unlikely to get lost in the user interface because it's simple. You can drag and drop pretty much anything around as you see fit. The only real downside is that you're going to have to eyeball everything, because there's no grid to work with. You can snap elements to the middle of your canvas, vertically and horizontally, otherwise you have to be careful when dragging and dropping things around. Placeit Video Maker. When it comes to making videos, Placeit offers hundreds of video templates that are carefully designed to look professional no matter which one you pick. This is a great way for retailers to promote their latest product, create the next great viral sensation, or just share a funny moment with their followers that helps humanize the brand. 1. Get started by navigating to the Videos section of the site. Choose the type of video you'd like to create, e.g., Instagram stories, product demos, intro template, etc. 2. Browse Placeit's library of video templates and choose one to work with. 3. Tailor the template for your brand. When you choose your template, you can customize various elements of the video, including the text, colors, images, playback speed and more. You can also add new video slide if you want. 4. Download the video. Just like with Placeit's other tools, you'll be given the option to download your creation by buying it outright for $9 or subscribing to Placeit. You can share logo previews for feedback. If you're working with others or just want to get some feedback from social media, this is a useful feature. You can generate a URL for sharing, or share the design directly via Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. There's not much more to it than that though. You can preview logos in a variety of mockups. Once you have a logo design you like, you can preview it on t-shirts, business cards, various kinds of simulated screens and more. Presumably you could then also buy these mockups because mockup tools are a part of Placeit as well. How do you cancel your Placeit account? If you're no longer interested in subscribing, you're free to cancel at any time. You have to send a cancellation request at least 1 business day prior to a billing cycle to avoid the fees for that billing cycle. In other words, you'll be charged for a billing cycle unless your cancellation request is received at least 1 day before that billing cycle is due to start. Pricing. The pricing plans are simple enough. You can pay for a single download, or pay a subscription to make all downloads 50%. That's right, the subscription only provides a discount. Overall, the pricing is extremely fair when you compare it to how much it can cost to get a professional logo designed for you. Unless you hire a designer on Fiverr, of course. The price is monthly $14.95, and I think that it is well worth the price considering all of the many features that allow you to create your brand, business, or just an online presence. What does Placeit do well? Simply put, Placeit is easy to use, and even those with no design or technical experience, you can easily create mock-ups and videos by using one of their thousands of templates. They offer an extensive library that includes more than 1,420 iPhone mockups, 308 MacBook mockups, 2,800 t-shirt mockups, and everything from social media post templates to coupons. Just select the template image you are looking for, make sure that the image you want to drop in it matches the dimensions the template requests, and that's all it takes. I was looking for such an app but never knew Placeit existed until I finally stumbled on this amazing website. I'm not that good in Adobe Photoshop, and these guys make all the heavy lifting fade away. Truly impressed, and I will definitely continue to use their services because what they've created is a one-of-a-kind service. I've been using Placeit for my business for a few years now, and I have nothing but great things to say. Since I'm not experienced with Photoshop and don't have design skills, Placeit makes it really easy for me to create quick product photos for my business. Why e-commerce merchants should use Placeit. As mentioned above, Placeit is a great resource for e-commerce retailers because it offers you an easy and convenient way to simply create quick product mockups for branded clothing and other products. Need a logo? Use one of their thousands of templates to pick one that captures the feeling and story of your brand. When it comes to marketing, video is quickly rising in popularity. In fact, more than 500 million hours of videos are watched on YouTube each day. 64% of consumers make a purchase after watching branded social videos, and they also generates 12 times more shares than text and images combined. With Placeit, you can use the thousands of templates to create slideshow videos, Instagram stories, Instagram videos, demos of new products, product and service overview videos for your clients to be clear on what you offer or sales and offers you want to promote. It's an easy way to increase engagement with your customers, which increases brand loyalty. The bottom line. For me as an e-commerce merchant, setting your brand apart is the key to retail success. Using a mock-up tool like Placeit can help you quickly create products and videos that will not only boost engagement with your audience, but also increase your online sales. With thousands of templates to choose from at affordable prices, you're only limited by your imagination. My final thoughts? I have sold a lot of t-shirts thanks to this company. They are the best mock-up site, and they're only getting better. Placeit has made it easy and affordable to design anything that you could ever imagine. The amount of value you get for the subscription cost is phenomenal in my opinion. I've been able to generate dozens of unique high-quality product images and some extremely impressive promotional videos thanks to Placeit, and I imagine they'll continue to be a valuable tool for me moving forward as well. Great customer support. I love their proactivity. They treat every query very professionally, no matter if a query comes from a subscriber or not. In fact, I am one of their loyal subscribers, and you should be one too. Placeit is an excellent hub for tons of graphic designs, logos, mockups, etc. Click the link in the description below to receive a free trial while exploding your online presence today. Please be sure to subscribe for reviews daily on the latest products and services. Like, share and comment.